Do you get a localized rash around the penis which is itchy? You can get a bit of redness, irritation, burning, swelling, sometimes hives as well. And these symptoms occur about a day after sex and can last up to 3 or 4 days. Well, you may want to think about latex allergy. Up to 6% of guys have an allergic reaction to latex. Many latex allergies can develop quite slowly, occurring sometimes years after repeated and continual exposure. You can also get full body systemic reactions. Now, natural latex comes from the rubber tree, and this obviously has a certain type of proteins, and these proteins can trigger an allergic reaction within the immune system. And now up to 50% of people with a latex allergy also tend to be allergic to some form of plant-based foods as well. For example, kiwis, bananas, avocados, passion fruit, tomatoes, chestnuts, sometimes even potatoes, and there are many other fruits and vegetables as well. If you do think you're getting a latex allergy, you can use a latex-free condom, for example, a silicone-based condom. But you also have to be aware of a lot of condoms are lubricated with a spermicide. And so sometimes if you do get the reaction, and when you're using a different brand you don't get the reaction, you just want to check out to see if they're lubricated with a spermicide. If you do think it could be the spermicide causing this localized reaction, then you may want to find silicone condoms that are only lubricated. Okay, if it says lubricated with a spermicide, don't use them. There's no real difference in how good a condom is, whether it's got a spermicide or not. It's more of a marketing gimmick, to be perfectly honest with you. The difference is negligible. So just get silicone condoms that are lubricated, and if you need further lubrication, then you can use a natural lubricant. For example, some people use coconut oil. What you want to make sure that the natural lubricant you use is compatible with the condoms and toys that you're using. However, if your symptoms are lasting longer than 2 days or are getting worse, then you need to see your doctor, and he can refer you to an allergist specialist, because your doctor may want to do a sexual health screen as well. They can cause lots of redness, itches and irritation as well. And this episode was made possible through the people who are supporting me through Patreon. So thank you for that, guys, and I'll see you all in the next episode. Take care.